Welcome back to another dealer auction walk around. This is the day after Easter, so I hope you and your family had a great Easter weekend. We had some massive storms up here, all kinds of wind and hail, tornadoes. Tore some stuff up, actually. Looks like the car auction has fared fairly well, pretty well. With all that, let's go ahead and check out some cars. Let's go ahead and check out a 2014 BMW. I believe this is a 528i. I think it's got 111,000 miles on it. It's got some dirt on it. Well, it's dirty because we just had some huge, terrible storms. And I said it was a 528i. Let's go ahead and make sure that it is. Yes. 528i. This is an X-Drive, meaning this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. Got a sunroof. Door panels look to be in good shape. The seat looks in good shape. Center armrest looks to be in good shape. Let's get this and toss it over there. Knock my hat off. Oh, geez, that was further down than what I had anticipated. Let's see if we... It did not care to start. Check engine light is on. Reduced brake system. Drive moderately. Okay. Check engine light's on. This, that. Doors open. Brake light is on. Engine coolant low. Okay. That's probably not good. Is this one of those 4.4s? Wow, where is this thing for the close the there we go. Let's close that. That solar energy's doing its thing. Back seat looks to be in great condition. So does the headliner. AC is doing AC things, which is good, but the car is not running good at all. We got all kinds of bells and whistles and knobs and switches and doohickeys and thingamabobs. I think I said watching Mahooza. I'm not for sure, but if I didn't, I'll say it now. Oh crap! I just said something on the screen here that I missed. So let's see. I can't catch it. Anyway, this one has. I think that this one just has too many problems, folks. So this first vehicle, oh, the steering wheel, it moves by itself out your way, which is good. You know, it's a good looking car. The miles are fine on it at 111,000 miles, but you know, it wasn't running good. It just had a lot of lights on, and so I'm not really interested in getting involved in this one. Let's see if we can find something else. So, you know, I really like this last generation of Thunderbird, and as it gets older, it's really growing on me anymore. It's 2002 with 93,000 miles on it, but you know what? We just had one of these on the channel. I didn't own it, but I looked at it and drove it, so probably wouldn't make the best content to do a repeat. So this receives an honorable mention, and we're going to go ahead and keep it moving. Well, what about a 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth with 60,000 miles on it? Got a little extra Abarth stripe going down the hood there. Yeah, only 60,000 miles. Gotta love the Scorpion logo. Got the red mirror caps. Got the Abarth stripe going down the side there. Got the Abarth center caps. Got our Abarth symbol there. And again here, got our dual exhaust. Now it looks like this one has the cloth seats, not the leather seats. It does have the automatic climate control. This is a 5-speed standard. Looks like someone's did a little upgrading there of the radio. We got a little aftermarket one head unit there. I'll get it here in a second. Actually, it looks like it fits pretty well in there. Got an aftermarket gear shift knob. Let's go ahead and, oh mercy, let's hop in here. It's a little warm today. Yeah. Sounds like an Abarth. Hit the old sport button here. Crank down our windows. We do not have any gas. Got a little Bluetooth speaker here. All right. Let's trying to remember where the seat thing is. Somebody was a little bit taller than me. Let me go ahead and grab a seat belt. Let's go ahead and look around here. Back seats, very, very small, but they're back there. Yeah, let me grab a seat belt and take it for a little drive. Just a moment, folks. All right, we're gonna do this quick. The gas gauge is on, folks, so we may have a short throw in this, I'm not for sure. But yeah, the gas light's on, so we're gonna do a quick one of this. So far, so good. Only the gas light and the tire light is on, saying we got a low tire. Actually, it's probably not a low tire. Everyone always probably is. This is a 2013. The batteries are probably dead. I'll say when we get back, we'll raise the hood, and what we'll do is we'll see if we can see any mods. But right now, it's not. That is a short throw shifter. Mine is the, well, my car is totally stock. And this one does have a short throw in it. Kind of nice. I'm not mad at it. I don't know, this one seems a little bit more spry than mine, so you know, I don't know. All right, yeah, these are fun little cars, folks. They really are. Well, okay, no surprises here in this one. We'll go ahead and we'll get it put back and check underneath the hood. All right, there she is, folks. This is the 1.4 turbocharged multi-air engine, and I do not see any modifications of any kind. That doesn't mean that there isn't any, but I do not see any. Well, okay, I guess that's enough of that. We'll go ahead and see if we can find something else to get into. All right, folks, how about a 1981 Rolls Royce? That's right. Okay, it's not a real Rolls Royce, of course. It is a golf cart, but looks like one. It says factory built. It's got headlights, radio, clock. It has an electric refrigerator and a good battery. Wow. So I'll go ahead and get you guys over here. Royal Ride is what it's called. Oh yeah, look at this. Talk about riding in style. Well, there's not a whole lot to video. It's not all that big. I mean, look at this top here. Oh, it's actually, that's a little fiberglass top. I wonder what something like this goes for. 'Cause honestly, I don't have any idea. Not a clue. It's in great shape. All right, there you go. Well, if you guys have watched the channel any length of time, you know that I absolutely love Corvettes, but I don't love this Corvette. The wheels are, I'm sorry, the tires are way too big. The wheels are atrocious. Someone took a beautiful C5 Corvette and they've managed to really butcher it up. 2000 model with 88,000 miles on it. And maybe this is your cup of tea. It's not mine. Got some phony carbon fiber on there for some odd reason I don't understand. And then we got, it's black back here. I don't know why you do this. I guess everybody has their own style, but oh wow. Yeah, they certainly have. They got their own style. It's a manual, but wow. Lots of red. These are not factory seats, but I bet they're not cheap. Got WeatherTech floor mats. Yeah, I just gotta, it's not for me. Not for me at all. Just don't, you see, this is like a carbon fiber something or another. So, yeah, that's a hard pass unless you could put it back the way it's supposed to be. Well, I guess that's going to go ahead and wrap up this one, folks. I gave you a short one today. If you like what I'm doing here, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, even though I know that you won't. But if you did, it would be very helpful. We're also on the other video sharing platform that starts with an R that we're not allowed to mention here. We are also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. If you'd like to contact us directly, that is fuzzydicemotors@gmail.com. I also have a link down below to buy me a coffee. Throw a few bucks this way to support the channel. And also, I am a licensed realtor. And if you're looking to buy or sell in the Northwest Arkansas area, there's an email address down below as well that says Darren at PrimeSalesNWA.com. As always, folks, better cars, best prices, fuzzy dice, or no dice.